Hello friend, welcome to Google Sheets Complete Basic to Advanced course. Google Sheets stand out most obviously from the Excel because of its excellent collaboration abilities. Multiple people can be working on the same spreadsheet at once without any lagging or confusion. You can even access the spreadsheet from your account on multiple devices at the same time without disruption. It is powered by the Google's machine intelligence. Sheets also builds charts, suggested formulas, creates pivot tables. Let me introduce myself. I am Mahavir Bharadwaj. I have more than 18 years of experience working in Excel. But now I am moving to the Google Sheets because it's a free tool for individual. The company in which I am working is a big MNC company. It is also moved from the Excel to Google Sheet, and I observe it is better than Excel. I made multiple automated spreadsheet program with VBA or without VBA in Excel, which saves a lot of our time. Now I did the same in the Google Sheets and I learned a lot. In this course, you will learn the basic introduction of Google Sheets if you are new to it. We will learn step by step from the basic formulas and the functions. We will also cover the advanced techniques and the formulas such as pivot tables, lookup functions, Google Forms, which is connected to the Google Sheets and used to collect the data directly in the Google Sheets, financial functions, date, text, time, logical, database, and many more. We will upload more tutorials in coming time. Who should join this course? Anyone who need to grow in their professional life, whether he's a student, engineer, doctor, business person, accountant, or anybody who wants to make their life easy. Google Sheet is must learn free tool for growth in your professional life. It make your life very easy. Thank you very much for visiting our course. Looking forward to see you in the course.